Hi, and welcome to Tellurium Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use events in an idea called the trigger to control the behavior of your system at given points in time. Here I have a two-reaction system where x goes to x1 and x1 goes to x2. When I run this, we can see that x1 and x are completely consumed as x2 is produced. Let's say we want to define the concentration of the starting thing, x, using a specific function. We're going to have to delete this. And we'll go x colon equals, and this colon equals sign means it's refreshed throughout the simulation rather than just executed once at the beginning. So x is constantly being changed as time progresses. Then we're going to write a function. For the purposes of this, we'll use a sine graph. So we'll go trigger, that'll be our on-off switch, star, amplitude, that'll be the amplitude of the sine, times sine. Then we're going to do frequency times time plus 2, and that's just to keep it above 0, or above a negative number. So, now let's define these things. We want trigger to start out at 0. And we want amp to equal, let's say 5 to start. Frequency, let's go 1. It's uppercase. Okay, when I run this again, so let's do this. So we'll only plot time in x1. Not k1. x1. Now when I run this, we can see that x1 reaches its steady state value. Okay, so the trigger is constantly 0. So this is just a constant value the whole time of 2. Let's say at time 50, we want it to start following its sinusoidal function. So we'll write an event. At time is greater than 50, trigger equals 1. And that just turns this bit on. So now when I run this, we can see at time 50, we start getting our sine graph. So let's say at time 100, we want the amplitude to increase. So we'll say amp equals 10. Now when I run this again, it gets bigger at time 100. Let's say at time 150, it's greater than 150. We want the amplitude to decrease to 2. So now when I run this, it gets smaller then. And lastly, at time 175, we want it to go off. So now you know how to control the behavior of your function using this idea of a trigger and events, and define the concentration of species using different functions. Thank you for watching.